Okay, so here's a couple of tips on how we can make money in real estate. One is through appreciation. Now, appreciation can happen in two ways. We can either force the appreciation or we can get organic growth. Let's talk about the organic side first. When we're growing a property organically and we're underwriting or analyzing a property, creating that pro forma for the growth of the property, you're going to see 2 to 3% organic growth. You might not even have to do any capital improvements to the property at all in order to gain that. The second way around appreciation is through forced appreciation. Forced appreciation is because you go in and you do capital improvements. Maybe you put lighting fixtures in, countertops, pulls on the cabinets, new floor coverings. All these things help you increase the property value. So if you go in, you put a certain dollar amount of capital improvements into the property, you're going to be able to raise the rents more than just through organic appreciation. Now, the second way that we make money is through depreciation. Depreciation, I really feel, is one of those gifts that the government is giving us right now, where our property goes up in value, but the government devalues our property. And as they devalue our property, there's a spread in between the growth and the devaluation. That spread you can take off your personal income tax. That depreciation is a dollar for dollar deduction on the amount of money that you earn. So as a real estate investor, whether you're active or whether you're passive, these two money tips or income tips are beneficial for you and will help you grow your personal wealth in real estate.